Learning-4 Layers and Properties Commands in AutoCAD 2024. Mastering layers and properties commands in AutoCAD 2024 is essential for organizing your drawing components effectively, improving clarity, and ensuring your design is structured and easy to manage. Layers allow you to categorize elements of a drawing, while properties enable you to control the appearance and characteristics of objects. Here's an overview of key layers and properties commands in AutoCAD 2024. For more details, see the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. 1. Layer. Command, Layer or LA. Purpose, opens the Layer Properties Manager, which allows you to create, modify, and manage layers in your drawing. Layers help you organize elements by grouping similar objects, making it easier to control their visibility, color, line type, and other properties. Tip: use layers to separate different parts of your drawing, such as electrical, plumbing, or architectural elements, to easily control the visibility and properties of each group. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. Two. Layer Properties Manager. Command, LA or Layer. Purpose, a dialog box used to manage layer settings, such as color, line type, line weight, and visibility. It provides quick access to adjust properties and visibility for all objects assigned to specific layers. Tip: use the freeze or lock options to control the visibility and editing of objects on a layer without deleting them. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. Three. Change Object Layer. Command, chprop. Purpose allows you to change the properties of selected objects, including the layer they belong to, without affecting other attributes. Tip: this command is useful when you need to reassign objects to different layers without altering their properties or geometry. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. Four. Layer isolate. Command: isolate a layer. Purpose: isolates a selected layer, hiding all other layers temporarily. This helps when working on a specific set of objects without the distraction of other elements in the drawing. Tip: use the isolate layer to work on a specific part of your drawing without having to turn layers on and off manually. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. Five. Layer freeze. Command: layfrz. Purpose: freezes layers to temporarily hide them in the drawing. It is particularly useful for managing large drawings where you need to focus on specific layers. Tip: freezing layers helps improve drawing performance, especially in complex designs with many layers. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. Six. Layer turn on, off. Command: layon or layoff. Purpose: turns layers on or off, controlling their visibility in the drawing. Tip: use the layon and layoff commands to quickly toggle the visibility of layers for better clarity. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. Seven. Properties. Command: properties or PR. Purpose: opens the properties palette, allowing you to view and modify the properties of selected objects. This includes information like color, layer, line type, and many other properties. Tip: use the properties palette to quickly edit multiple attributes of objects in your drawing, including assigning them to specific layers. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. 8. Match properties. Command, matchprop or MA. Purpose, copies the properties, such as color, layer, and line type, of one object to another. This helps maintain consistency throughout your drawing. Tip, use match properties to quickly apply the same attributes to multiple objects, ensuring consistency across your design. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. Nine. Line type. Command, line type or LT. Purpose, defines and assigns line type to objects in your drawing. Line types control the appearance of lines, such as solid, dashed, or custom patterns. Tip, use line types to distinguish different types of elements in your drawing, such as hidden lines, center lines, or property boundaries. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. Ten. Line weight. Command, line weight or LW. Purpose, controls the thickness of lines in your drawings, making it easier to visually differentiate between objects. Tip, adjust the line weight to highlight important features, create depth and emphasis in your drawing. Watch the AutoCAD 2024 screen practice. By mastering the Layers Properties command in AutoCAD 2024, users can effectively manage and organize their designs, ensuring each element is properly categorized, visible, and easy to edit. Layers help separate different components of your drawing, making it easier to control and manipulate specific parts of your design. Properties commands, such as match properties and change object layer, enable users to adjust the appearance and behavior of objects efficiently. Together, these tools help enhance workflow and organization, making your drawings more efficient and easier to navigate. you.